Hello everyone, I'm Ellen from Are We There Yet, the channel for parents that want to explore the world with their kids. Now I don't know about you guys, but we are really excited about making plans for the summer of 2022. And just like you, we were wondering what to do with the pandemic that's still going on. Now I do not want to pretend like I'm an expert by any means, but if you're curious, this is how we made our plans. We've been traveling Europe for the last 2 years and we really want to get back to Asia. We've been dreaming about Sri Lanka for the longest time now. It's been delayed 3 times, once because of a terrorist attack and 2 times because of Corona. So the first step we took was research the situation in Sri Lanka at this moment. We wanted to know if they're really strict or not. We wanted to know how their vaccination campaign is going, and we really wanted to know if they take the virus seriously. Because of course you want your freedom, but you also want safety measures in place, right? We did our research and we found out that it's pretty okay in Sri Lanka. They are strict, but not too strict. Their vaccination campaign is a little bit slower than in Belgium, for example, but they're really getting further along. And you can really tell that they take this virus seriously. They have safety measures. So all of that is okay for us to go through with this plan. Our train of thought for any country is that if you research the situation now in winter, things will probably get better in summer. For the last 2 years, this was the case, and that's what we're going on. The second thing we did was we made sure that everything we booked now could be cancelled later. With the virus, we don't know where things are going. Although things were better in summer than in winter the last 2 years, we're not sure, and especially with all those variants, that these travels can go on later. So we wanted to make sure we didn't lose a lot of money. For the plane tickets, we did something we've never done before, and that's take travel insurance. We read the small letters and we wanted to make sure that also in all the coronavirus situations, we could get our money back. So that's been taken care of. For our accommodation, we went to booking.com like always, and we only chose hotels that have cancellation options until a few days before arrival, so that's fine too. Now, I would recommend you also think about your transport options. For us, this is a little bit different because we want to drive the 4 kids around in our 2 tuk-tuks, and we still had a voucher from last year, but also check up on transport because that's pretty important too. If all of those 3 things are okay, your plane tickets, your accommodation and your transport, and you can cancel it whenever necessary, I think you're pretty safe. So the last thing we did, and this is not really fun, but we thought about a plan B. We made sure that if Sri Lanka isn't happening again, that we have another plan in place. So we will be taking a road trip through Europe to a country we've never been to. For example, Portugal or one of the Scandinavian countries, we'll see. But this way we make sure we have something fun to do when Sri Lanka isn't happening. Please hope with us that after 3 times of failure, Sri Lanka will be on our cards this summer. Okay, I hope this video inspired you to go and make plans for the summer of 2022 with your family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This channel has weekly content on traveling with kids, and if that's something for you, please subscribe. That really helps out our channel a lot. Bye!